One unusual law required dogs to wear diapers, aiming to keep public streets clean. This quirky regulation presented a unique challenge for pet owners striving to comply. In another instance, a peculiar rule banned roller skating in public restrooms, driven by safety concerns. Authorities sought to prevent accidents in crowded and slippery spaces, prioritizing a safer experience for all. During the 1970s, it was illegal to install bathtubs without legs in certain areas. This regulation aimed to enhance ventilation and curb moisture buildup, addressing significant sanitary issues. The prohibition of black cars on Sundays reflected a desire for tranquility, emphasizing relaxation and worship in specific communities. Authorities targeted these vehicles primarily due to their prominent visibility. In the 1970s, carrying ice cream cones in back pockets was against the law in some locations, driven by concerns over attracting horses. This showcases some of the era's odd legislative quirks. Laws against singing in swimsuits illustrated societal decorum concerns during the same period. This regulation demonstrated how public behaviors were monitored to maintain harmony in recreational settings. The pinball laws of the 70s arose from anxieties about youth behavior, reflecting broader societal worries regarding leisure activities and their potential effects on young individuals. Hot pants emerged as a symbol of rebellion and fashion evolution, sparking debates about decency and appropriate public attire during that transformative time. Public health concerns in the 1970s led to stringent laws against spitting, emphasizing the era's commitment to cleanliness and hygiene in urban environments to combat disease. Frowning at law enforcement was deemed disrespectful, prompting laws to foster cooperation and a positive rapport between citizens and police. This cultural focus on authority was prevalent during that time. In many cities, feeding pigeons became illegal due to health hazards and cleanliness concerns in public spaces. This regulation aimed to manage urban wildlife populations and maintain hygiene. Interestingly, laws against jumping off buildings were enacted to enhance public safety, underscoring the need for regulations in densely populated urban environments and the peculiar legal landscape of the 1970s. At the dawn of the Internet, most computer networks were restricted to research institutions and government agencies. Unauthorized access was strictly banned, reflecting significant security concerns. Early laws on unauthorized access established a foundation for future digital regulations and cybersecurity. These measures shaped the evolving interaction between technology and legality. Additionally, the video explores quirky laws from the 70s, including those regulating barking dogs and the use of silly string, reflecting societal attempts to maintain order and peace. The American flag served as a powerful emblem of national unity and pride, making any alterations a legal matter. Laws enforced its sacredness, underlining its significance. While freedom of expression is a fundamental principle in the United States, the flag's sanctity was upheld by legal regulations. Citizens were expected to uphold patriotism through established flag etiquette. Alongside flag regulations, there were also laws concerning outdoor furniture in college towns. These restrictions aimed to enhance public safety and minimize fire hazards.